Today's job market in the healthcare field is looking for competent technicians who are passionate about helping the people they serve. If you are looking for a place that prepares you to become certified to work in the healthcare field, Excel Career School is the place for you. We offer training in the fields of pharmacy technician, physical therapy aide, and occupational therapy technician. Excel Career School is the place for you. Excel Career School offers affordable tuition and caring instructors who will go the extra mile to help you achieve your dream. So contact Excel Career School today. You will excel at Excel Career School.